How you guys doing? This is a little break out of the series. Sitting here with my 6S little babies. This is the 6S dragster from Traxxas. And it has a whole bunch of upgrades. Integrity shocks from my T-Max. I modified them to be able to fit and fit perfect in it. And if you have a lot of pretty nice transmission is really built. I had a 6S system in here. MIP axles, hot racing diff, case, spool. We have fighting gears. That's a little secret. I didn't give it out. That thing was so hard to accomplish, but I have a bullet transmission. Other than that, chassis. We have a turbo protector, which really doesn't do much, to be honest. Just full of turbo tractors, same thing, push up. We have a LPM rushler front bumper, heated it up, bent it down, that way you can be able to look good instead of pointing up. This thing is pretty amazing. No scratches on it except for that shock when it flips over once, and this is underneath. I take very good care of my vehicles. If I decide to break them, I will break them. There's no money factor into this. I'm here to have fun and enjoy my vehicles. So this is going to be my EXB. So all these parts are being donated from the dragster. That was my 6S dragster. So when you see this, you're going to be like, wow, that much power was inside of that vehicle. It's going to be able to run this setup. As you can see, the setup was in here. Had to notch out the motor so you can be able to fit right in there and get the right gear mesh. As you can see, it actually fits right in there. So you have to modify a little bit to get it to get that perfect mesh that I wanted. This transmission once again is billet. It took the power. I ran it so many times. Have to use these Anaconda tires, the only best ones I could find so far. I have tried every single pull line, from foam to pure rubber, from belted tires, and these are the best ones so far. I'm not a big Traxxas fan. I'm not too happy with Traxxas. They almost killed the hobby not too long ago. But at the same time, I like to build custom stuff, and parts availability was there for that. But let's go back to this arrma. So we have the motor, we have the fan. So this setup is going to be coming into this ESC. I went ahead and put in the Mamba X6S ESC. You just gotta put that in. It's sloppy, not perfect. This ain't no high-end build. Just to get it running for now, get myself to fall in love with it, and then I'm gonna put in my Rockstar 150 amp ESC, programmable. I'm definitely gonna program it. This is fully stock. I'm gonna be running stock gearing. Nothing fancy, just to get it out of the gate from the factory. I still have to go over a few things. Still have to go over the diff to make sure I don't have to shim it. If I have to shim it, I will shim it. Don't matter to me. If it does get damaged, I prefer it to get damaged so I can throw in some hot racing parts in there. But there's many options I'm gonna do. I have a spool locker for my Talon. I thought about using on here because this thing is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the stock gearing and go ahead and run this bad boy out 6S LiPo with stock gearing. Right now, I'm in the process of taking the trays apart, and once I take the trays apart, I put the the receiver in, and so it's nice and clean. I'll go ahead and run all these wiring where they're supposed to go. The only thing I don't like is the way they made this setup, how the wires go underneath the drive shaft. I'm going to go ahead and customize something that it'll actually probably run on top of here and then go back down. It might look ugly, but I prefer it that way to save myself a headache in the future. But other than that, we're going to go ahead and work on that for a little while. So this is going to be the servo. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that servo right up in here. Just got more some one. So like I said, that's one of the things I don't like is the way this wiring goes. So I'm gonna have to stick that wire in there. Alright, trying to do it one-handed, so bear with me. So I hold the phone like that. And I'm using my knees to hold the phone. I don't have none of that high-end technology for YouTube filming, etc., etc. But I'll go ahead, that's going to be the servo for there. Struggling a little bit, gotta take some screws off, make sure the servo's not too big for it. It shouldn't be. Shouldn't have no issues. But I'll go ahead and make this video short. I'll go ahead and post part 2 of this. This roller is for sale. This thing is amazing. Anybody interested, go ahead and contact me at juliomiley86@gmail.com. That's Juliomiley@gmail.com. I have plenty of toys to sell. There's plenty on offer up. I give out good deals, and I will continue to make videos and hopefully get better at them. Thank you for your patience. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.